Good afternoon. I'm Terry Scoggin, CEO of Titus Regional Medical Center in Mount Pleasant, Texas. Today's Tuesday, June 11, 2024. And it's time for our June community update. Thank you for joining us. I talked last month about May and how busy it was, and let me just tell you, it was crazy. It was so exciting to see how much work was being done in Northeast Texas during the month of May. And you can see all the pictures from Kids Day to health fairs to celebration of EMS, of nurses, of the hospital system. But all throughout every weekend and during every week of May, we had activities that improved the wellness of Titus County. So excited for the work's done. Just appreciative of everybody who supported us last month. Everybody came out to one of our events, and want to thank the Rodeo Association and Prefert for the work that we did with both groups last couple weeks. As Rodeo came to town, appreciate Dr. Pappas. I appreciate everybody associated with the EMS team who was all over, whether at the Rodeo, joining the NTCC team and training team out there and helping out there, or at Prefert doing all the events. But there was a lot of work being done on both sides, and thanks for the opportunity given us by the Rodeo Association, but thank you all so much to those team members who gave of their time over that week to take care of our cowboys and cowgirls that were in town for the week. I want to say just a little bit of a quick prayer and a request for you to say a prayer this week. As you know, we stay very close with the team at First Baptist Church, several of our doctors and several of our team members and our volunteers. You can see one of them in the picture and one of our board members in the picture. They participate annually in the Guatemala mission. We would ask for you to remember in prayer this week. I think the go-ahead team, I think they call it the advanced team, left this morning, with the physicians and the medical team leaving later this week. But we work closely with Dr. Stagg and Brother Bill at First Baptist Church to support every way. But we would encourage you, if you get a chance, say a prayer for that team this week, as they do work in a different part of our country, but it's meaningful work for many people. So just say a prayer and add them to your list over the next week as they serve and bring what's going great in Titus County to that part of the country. I would also like to invite you tomorrow to Lunch and Learn. We've expanded Lunch and Learn this year, so you wanted more and we gave it. So we're doing 10 months. We'll take a break in July and August, but June Lunch and Learn, it's going to be a good one. The team at Titus Fit is going to do a fitness, things that you can do this summer for exercise, some opportunities within the health system, but then the things you can do at home, some chair yoga and those types of things. We've got some great prizes tomorrow as we can have a little fun. I think I'm going to do some chair yoga with my wife tomorrow, and Cullen. We're going to do some things, so we're excited about that. But please join us tomorrow at the Civic Center. We're excited about that opportunity. Appreciate everybody who's coming to our Lunch and Learns for our 55 and over crowd. So we're excited about that opportunity, and we'll see you tomorrow. A lot of great things. We also, this Friday, would like to just recognize the Juneteenth celebrations that will be going on across Northeast Texas. But there is one at the Pilgrim Community Center this Friday afternoon, and our team will be there doing some health fair and health projects as well. So if you get a chance, if you've not been to the Pilgrim Community Center, beautiful center. Congratulations, or thank you to Pilgrim for their donation to make that happen and the work the City of Mount Pleasant did to build that. We've had the opportunity to do a few health fairs and events in the Pilgrim Community Center at Oaklawn. Just a great little venue, and I appreciate the opportunity. But our team will be there this Friday for health updates and some health screening, so please join us when you join those celebrations on Friday afternoon. You know, I mentioned our wellness program and Cullen Groves and the team over there. One thing that's been noted, is some opportunities for our kids this summer. So I just want to applaud the pediatric clinic and the team members at Titus who've come together to create an active kids club and wanted to create a program in June and July to identify kids who may not be as active with opportunities this summer, that a thing they could do to, improve their wellness. Started today. We're excited. Less than 48 hours, it filled up. And so now we're looking at some other opportunities later this summer to do it. So I applaud the pediatric clinic and the team members at Titus for the vision to put this on. We're excited about continuing this active kids club and the work to improve the wellness of our kids in Northeast Texas. But this is an exciting addition to Titus Regional and Pediatric Clinic. So thank you everybody involved. I can't wait to see pictures of that and just hear the stories of what's going on in the active kids club as well. As we slow down in the month of June, July, and August, it's so hot outside. There's a lot of things going on. We are excited to welcome back one of our physicians. Dr. Thurman will be joining Titus again. He left a few years ago, and he's an internal med specialist. We're excited to have him back. And next month, when we do our community update, I got another physician, our provider, that will be coming back as well. We're finalizing those details. But having Dr. Thurman join us again, we need internal medicine in Titus County. Internal medicine is normally for someone who serves 2 or 3 comorbidities, not just one comorbidity, but several different things going on. And you need that physician. So usually similar to like a hospitalist at that next level of care, but an internal med physician can help some of our sicker patients in Northeast Texas, and we have them. So it's an opportunity to help our primary care team. Dr. Thurman will be joining our primary care service line and work closely with Dr. Burrows, DeLisi, and Hollingsworth, and all the providers in primary care to identify those patients who really need to serve an internal med doc. So huge add to have him come back in the ambulatory space. So we're excited to have him working on his final location. Some things are going on in the area, so we want to finalize that, and hopefully next month we'll announce his location and where he'll be at. He's in he's in Mount Vernon right now, filling in some vacation and some other times, but he'll be serving in Mount Vernon for about a month as we fill in some holes out there as well. So, but we're excited to have that Dr. Thurman back. He's a good guy, and he's a friend to Titus, a friend to many people who've been in the health system. So we're excited for him joining us and for continuing the growth of our primary care service line. As we end the month, again, we truly appreciate everything everybody's done for this past year, and we look forward to the summer. A lot of things going on this summer. Continue to give updates. Please follow us on Facebook. Please follow us on social media. And we truly appreciate your support of our health system and choosing Titus to provide for your healthcare needs. God bless, and thank you.